What roles are typically involved in a growth cross-functional team? Now I'm experimenting with the model that I have three essential roles for a team who that is running the experiment. The first is the most important one is the experiment owner. So that person is responsible to understand why we're doing the experiment, be an active participant doing the experiment, and then consuming the insights, internalizing those insights to inform the work after the experiment. As an example, we just finished the push notification optimization, and my goal was to empower a marketing lead to be an experiment owner, that she needs she needed to understand why we're doing this experiment in the first place. She needed to advise us what flexibility we have in terms of messaging. She needed to execute the messaging and targeting, consume results of experiments with the help of experiment data analyst, the second role, and then internalize the results to inform her work after experiment is over. So we kind of now feel that we're confident with the messaging we do and targeting we have, and it's more of a low maintenance mode now for us. So that's why I distilled into two major roles, experiment owner and experiment data analyst. The second role of data analyst, I didn't treat that as a main role responsibility for overall day life, work life for this person, but more of a role within the the time box of experiments. So once the experiment over, the person might be do something else, or maybe he played the role of a data analyst, but after he will be a product manager for other projects and products. Mm, and the third role is the advisor role. For me, it's critical to making sure that the stakeholders, appropriate stakeholders, have enough visibility to understand how what we do is integrated in other things. So for me, it's the head of product. She needs to be aware why we're doing this, why we're spending our time on this specific experiment, and what are the results of the experiment, as well as engineering role are also very critical as advisor. So I want to make sure that we understand technology, we understand the current limitations of implementation. So this way we're more efficient with experiment setup.